We have the highly anticipated Final Fantasy XVI game for the PlayStation 5, probably one of the oldest franchises I remember as a kid growing up. In terms of numbers, this game cost £25 and has sold over 3 million copies worldwide just several days after its release. Now let's get it out of this satisfying yet annoying plastic wrap, and unfortunately we will not be showing the inside this time as we have the redemption code inside. Now let's dive into the main course. Final Fantasy XVI takes us to the land of Valisthea, a world filled with magic, powerful crystals and warring factions. The story is gripping, the characters are compelling, and the gameplay is a perfect blend of action and strategy. It has some stunning visuals and the soundtrack is absolutely mesmerizing. The game truly feels like a next-gen experience, and it's clear that the developers poured their hearts and souls into creating this masterpiece. Final Fantasy XVI introduces a real-time combat system that feels both fresh and familiar. The game strikes a balance between action and strategy, allowing players to seamlessly switch between characters and unleash devastating attacks. The combat is fast-paced and exhilarating, and the ability to summon powerful creatures known as icons adds an extra layer of excitement to battles. The world of Valisthea is vast and filled with diverse landscapes, from lush forests to sprawling cities and ancient ruins. The attention to detail in the environments is truly remarkable, and exploring the world feels like an adventure in itself. The game's open world elements provide plenty of opportunities for exploration and discovery, and there are countless side quests and hidden treasures to uncover. Final Fantasy XVI really impresses with the quality of its side quests eventually. They actually start out pretty generic and menial, with objectives like finding X number of Y items out in the field, or delivering 3 hot bowls of soup to people in the hideout. However, in the back half of the story, these side quests act as smart ways to button up all of the loose threads outside of the main campaign. Side characters are given proper send-offs, pieces that were toppled over in the central story are satisfyingly built back up, and characters that you wouldn't really expect to have very deep backstories open up to you in often very moving ways. It is exactly the kind of side content that you want in a big RPG, even though it takes a little while to get there. Moving on to the graphics and sound. Final Fantasy XVI is a visual and auditory feast. The game takes full advantage of the PlayStation 5's hardware capabilities, delivering stunning visuals with rich, detailed environments and character models. The lighting effects and particle physics add to the immersive experience, making every battle and cutscene a spectacle to behold. The musical score, composed by industry legend Nobuo, is nothing short of extraordinary. Each track perfectly captures the mood and atmosphere of the game, enhancing the emotional impact of key story moments and adding depth to the overall experience. The voice acting is top-notch, bringing the characters to life with convincing performances that draw players further into the narrative. In summary, Final Fantasy XVI for the PlayStation 5 is a triumph in every sense. From its captivating story and engaging gameplay to its stunning visuals and unforgettable music, the game delivers an experience that will resonate with fans and newcomers alike. The special edition bundle adds an extra layer of collectability and immersion, making it a must-have for any Final Fantasy enthusiast. If you are looking for an epic adventure that will transport you to a rich and vibrant fantasy world, look no further than Final Fantasy XVI. This is the unboxing beard, and we just unboxed Final Fantasy XVI for the PS5.